AI trading bots analyze market data and place trades automatically. But here's the key. You don't just turn them on. You need to configure them based on your goals and risk level. First, you need to choose the right platform. If you're just starting out, go something simple like Pionex where bots are already built in. If you want more control, 3 commas is better option. Next, you connect your exchange account, usually Binance or Bybit, using API keys. This lets the bot trade on your behalf, but your funds stay on the exchange. Just make sure you disable withdrawals for security. Now comes the most important part, choosing your strategy. A grid bot works best when the market is moving sideways. A DCA bot is better for long-term accumulation. After that, you set your parameters. Decide how much you want to invest, define your price range, and choose how many trades the bot should place. Most platforms suggest default settings but treat them as a starting point, not a final solution. Let's look at how this works. On Pionex, the process is very simple. You choose a bot, select a trading pair like BTC USD, adjust the setting and click create. The bot starts trading immediately. On 3 commas, it's a bit more advanced. First, you connect your exchange, then you create a new bot, choose your strategy, and define entry and exit rules like take profit and stop loss. Once everything is set, the bot runs automatically. You can track its performance, pause it, or adjust settings anytime. Let's talk about costs. Pionex offers free bots. You only pay trading fees. 3 commas charges a monthly subscription usually between $15 and $50. On the top of that, every trade includes a small exchange fee, usually around 0.1%. A few practical tips to keep in mind. Focus on one bot at the time, don't overcomplicate your setup, and don't check results every minute. Consistency matters more than quick wins. That's all. Leave a comment, please, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.